Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are doing my November Petit Vour box unboxing. I don't know what was going on with their website this month, but my box arrived yesterday. Later in the evening, I got the email that the box had shipped. I'm like, well, no shit. And I went online and checked, and they still hadn't updated the page where it shows you the current box, so that was strange. But the box is here, finally. And I'm happy to share it with you guys. So let me go ahead and show you guys the card that came because I love it. I save a lot of the art from the cards that they send because I just love it, and I put it on a little board I have in my office. Super cute. So let me read to you the description of this box, the November 2019 beauty box. With the holiday season upon us and our calendars full, we wanted to focus this month's collection on undeniably reliable next level products that we can depend on through winter hustle and bustle. This season, treat yourself to an assortment of noteworthy discoveries: a blessing of a beauty balm, a spa-grade exfoliating mask. That is the cat. If you hear a bell, she's got a bell on her collar, and she wants to get up here on the couch with me so bad. Anyway, a spa-grade exfoliating mask, an enriching aromatic body lotion, and a highly pigmented waterproof eyeliner. Our selected skincare nourishes and rejuvenates even the most sensitive skin, while the standout non-toxic liquid liner defines eye for smudge-proof, I'm all messed up because Fran has decided to join us, for smudge-proof color that will outlast every flurry. This is Fran, by the way. She's an absolute BB. So cute. And she wants to be wherever her mama is, so I'm here on the couch. That's where she wants to be. So we'll start with the first thing in the box as per listed on the card. It is the Josephine Cosmetics some word I can't pronounce, Definite the Eye Define, which the size they sent I believe is the full size, and it says it retails for $26. I don't know why my one cheek looks brighter than the other one. It's a weird lighting thing. Anyway, I used this already this morning, so let me show you the packaging. This is how it comes packaged. It doesn't want to focus. That's fine. The packaging is not that exciting. And here is the little pen itself. And it's kind of a felt tip. So there we go. Let me read you the description. Richly pigmented and completely waterproof, this stick-to-your-lids formula contains grapefruit seed extract for a smooth application. The felt tip allows for easy movement and effortless strokes to define the eyes. So I can agree with a lot of that. I do think it is totally easy and effortless to use. It reminds me a lot of the Kat Von D liner, with the biggest difference that I noticed being that the tip of this seems to be a lot more juicy than the Kat Von D eyeliner. So you just want to be a little lighter with the touch with this one, because there is a lot of nice product going to that tip. And then aside from that, I did notice in my inner eye, because I just lined the lid lightly, where I was a bit lighter, it doesn't seem as dark. It seems like it was just a little lighter there. So I think you have to really like put a solid layer and not like glaze over it. But aside from that, I like it, and I think it will be a good addition for the holiday season, because honestly winter is really the time where I line my eyes the most, especially spring and summer. When it's getting hot, I cannot be bothered. So yeah, that is a nice addition to the box. And on to the next thing. So let's see, I think it was in this corner of the box. Here we go. Cute little L, or I think it's an L, yeah, on the lid. This is the Leilani Bless Beauty Balm. Retails for $13, or this size is worth $13. This is 7 milliliters. Yes. Bless your skin with potent skin softening and skin nourishing ingredients. Rich butters combined with orange blossom and blue tansy oils nurture and help reduce inflammation. So I was like, okay, beauty balm, what does that mean? That is the most generic label for a product, and it turns out that was on purpose, because I went online to the Petit Vour website to look up this product to see, what do I do with this, the directions. So you can use just a tiny amount and use it as a moisturizer. You can also use it on your lips for nourishment, and then it also said you can use I guess a bigger amount, but not super big, just make it oily, emulsify it, and remove makeup with it. So there you go, you have options with this. Very interesting. Let's see which one is next. The Juice Beauty Peel. So Petit Vour seems to be a huge fan of Juice Beauty because they send a ton of Juice Beauty products. I feel like I've gotten 3 or 4 at this point. My most recent one I actually liked. I want to say I have actually tried this product before. I think this came in a Birchbox a long time ago, back when I was subscribed to Birchbox, but let's continue. Peel Sensitive Exfoliating Mask. It says this size is 15 milliliters and is $11. Formulated with botanical juices and alpha hydroxy acids, this mask exfoliates and refines to reduce dark spots and discoloration, delivering spa-grade exfoliation and revealing a brighter complexion. Now, last time I used this was years ago, probably 4 or 5 years ago, so I don't even remember if I liked it or not, so I'll have to give it a try before I can let you guys know. But let's just open it and take a look. Yeah, it's a very thick gel coming out of there. I don't know if it'll focus. Come on. There we go. Very thick. Woo! Well, there you go, because I just squirted it out by accident. And it still doesn't want to focus. What the hell? Okay, I'm gonna have to clean that up later. Oops. Last product, and this is something where they've sent an item from this brand before as well. Levito Mandarin Aromatic Body Lotion. This is 30 milliliters, and this size would be worth $5. Indulge in this mandarin, orange, and bergamot scented lotion. Formulated for all skin types, this rich but lightweight body lotion restores your skin and leaves it buttery. So it's a lotion. Nothing crazy there. I'm sure it'll have a lovely scent. Let's open it. Let's not squirt this one everywhere. Yeah, just lightly orangey scented. And I guess when I finish up the one I have in my purse right now, I'll use this one. So that is the November Petit Vour box. I accidentally dropped these little foil things on the floor. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. As far as my thoughts, sorry, I'm like scratching my face. As far as my thoughts go, it's okay. The eyeliner is nice quality, but it's not like I needed an eyeliner. It's something I have on hand all the time. I will use it though. The hand lotion it's a hand lotion. I'll use it. The beauty balm is a fascinating product. That's something I'm gonna have to play with, so I'm kind of curious about that one. And then that peel. I know I've had it before, but I just can't remember if I liked it or not. So I guess I'll be playing with that one as well. Anyway, if you liked this video, you can give it a thumbs up. As I mentioned, I'd love to hear your comments down below. I'd love to know your thoughts on this box. Do you get the Petit Vour box? What boxes do you get? If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit that subscribe button. And otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Actually, I have to show you this little Franny. Franny, say bye to the people. She's like, leave me alone, Mom. Bye.